Okay guys, I took the exhaust off my Mercedes again, and I actually took it off this time. Took off the whole muffler. The hardest part is getting the little hangers undone. And yeah, I took the exhaust off and to see how it sounds like while driving, and I gotta say it's pretty freaking awesome. Like, I don't know. Here, well, I'll crank her up for you. She's warm, so she's not even that loud. I don't know. My mom's complaining like, "Oh, I'll never drive with you again." I'm like, "Frig off." You can hear the turbo really nice. That's one thing I like about it. I love that sound. Here, well, we have the windows down. Now we'll put the windows up. And you can hear it's a total different car. You can hear that it's pretty friggin' awesome, but I don't know. I'll keep it, but not now. Maybe in a year or two. I'll put the windows down again. That's what on the highway it will sound like, just 35 or 3,000 RPM. No exhaust. It's all the way up there. Okay, I'll put it in the tree's tripod stand thing, whatever, and I'll start recording again. Oh, there you have it. Hopefully that's good enough for you guys, and I'll pop the hood for you. Wow, that injector's still leaking. I just cleaned it. Sounds a lot more, I don't know how to say this, but oh, look at that blow by. Oh, the oil cap is hot, you know. There we go. Okay. I like it. It's nice. Nice and very interesting. I took the radio out because I'm putting in a new one. I really like the turbo on this thing. It's like 20 million times better than the old one. Feels like it has more horsepower, but I don't know. I like the whole idea of the turbo. Think frig, I got a turbo diesel, not a standard naturally aspirated diesel. still not blowing smoke though, so I'm probably just gonna have to take the Alda right off. For you people that don't know what that is, it's like a device Mercedes put on the injection pump to enrichen the fuel once the turbo spools up. But on these old Mercedes, they get pretty shitty and tired. So, and it's not that it's shitty, like not powerful or anything. It's just that, well, it's not good enough for me. I wanted it to blow black smoke, but that's just me. Okay. See you, tubers.